What's up guys? Sorry it's been a while since I posted my last video. Today we're going to Watts Creek Small Wild Area. It's located along Watts Bar Reservoir in Rhea County, Tennessee. If this is your first time to my channel, my wife and I will take you on virtual tours of waterfalls, hikes, ghost towns, and caves. You'll get some history while getting an idea for your day off. Watts Creek Small Wild Area is 176 acres and invites you to come hunting, camping, hiking, and birdwatching. The total hike is about 3 miles and has a few steep hills, but the beauty of the area make it worth it. There is also a dock and boat launch at this location. Always stretch before you start hiking. Otherwise you'll probably pull something, make hiking a lot more difficult. Let's do this, guys. Watts Creek, 2.3 mile loop. Follow White Blaze's foot traffic only. Oh shit! You okay?
Yeah.
That was epic. I got that on camera.
I'm a little afraid of what I stepped into though.
You just squished some sort of den.
I feel bad, kinda.
It's a decent little jump.
Yeah, yeah, I kind of sunk in
You
there.
just jumped like 6 feet, 7 feet.
It's
I'm not gonna go that way.
it's kind of a soft landing, I'll tell you that.
It's an old boundary line. Wow, you can see the barbed wire is going through the middle of the tree. That is crazy. It all rusted away, you can see right here. Real covered, little shady hike so far. Loving it.
Which means it's got spiders, but you know, come prepared.
Okay, gotta get a spider stick. Make sure there's no spiders on your stick, or that defeats the purpose. Coming down the trail, got this giant tree.
Oak.
And then you get this nice view here.
That was a giant spiderweb. Look at that.
So after weaving through the hills here, come around this corner, and there's this little stairwell. Stairway to heaven. Alright, so after walking for what feels like at least a mile, you come up to this, which I guess is the actual loop. You can go either way. We're gonna go up over this, probably down, and then wrap around something over there to where we come back up here. Hey guys, this is cool. This is an eastern box turtle. Just turned the corner and there he was, just sitting there. Let's see if I could sneak up without scaring him too much yet.
These guys will live in the same area for most of their lives, in about 100 yards.
Looks like he just had himself a nice little shroom snack.
See you later, box turtle.
And there she was on top of this ridge. Just looks pretty nice out. It's not too hot out, I'd say in the 70s. Probably almost 80, but under the canopy here, it's not bad. There's a nice breeze coming in off the lake today too. We're following this ridge down, down, down. I don't know if we'll get to the water or not, but we'll see. Come up to this sign, tells you the trail goes this way. I guess people used to get confused and go down that way. We're off the cliff. So now it seems we're walking to the valley floor. Probably straight up the other side. But who knows? There's actually some stairs here. So we came from up there. Down, 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 across the ravine, and in case you didn't know, there's a sign here. Trail. They're coming up there, it's kind of hard to see the trail.
Oh, the white coast is really good.
Yep, look for these white spots on the trees. Well, we're up to yet another ridge.
A lot of ups and downs on this hill.
This trail is taking us back and forth so many times, I don't even know if I'm walking the right way anymore. For a trail loop that's only 2.3, feels like it's longer. Either way, it's super cool. Anyway, a sign we're on the right way. Also a sign up on the tree right there. Trail. We've got another turtle, guys, right here in the path. Appears to be another female. What's up? All right, coming up this hill here, you see a sign that points the trail this way. But at one point, you know this was an old road going somewhere. I don't know if it was logging. Could have even been a Native American trail at one point. It's hard to say. We're going this way.
I thought the big hill was done.
Well, up in this pine forest, seems like there's no spiders. It's just too hot for them. But there's the issue, it's hot. I feel that 80 degrees now. Just take your time, bring plenty of water. You'll be good. That was the end of the pine forest. They put a lot of these white marks because you can't always see them. Even that's interesting.
A lot of curves in this trail. Makes you feel like you're lost. But follow the trail signs and you'll get back to the parking lot.
Tuck your pants into your shoes and use some tick spray if you come here this time of year. We found many nymphs crawling on us, and I think they came from this grass. The nymph is the first stage of the tick and is about the size of a pinhead. Alright, we just came back to where we started. There's that trail sign. Someone has put this here on the ground. I don't know why.
Didn't see that before.
Yeah, didn't even see that on the way in. So, yeah, I don't know. Shouldn't be there. Because that is definitely the trail. Someone trying to get us to walk back and get lost. We got this big tree here. It's got carving all over it. 1971. That's cool. Well, that hike took us just under 2 hours. Would have probably been less, except we took our time and swatted spiders. But no one even showed up the whole time we were gone. It's just us, pretty nice. So if you want to get away to a nice secluded hike on a beautiful lake here, I suggest Watts Creek Small Wildlife Area.
Mission accomplished.